What's the meaning of cottage pie? Cottage pie. Cottage pie.
Cottage pie. Cottage pie. Cottage pie is a traditional British dish made with minced beef and vegetables, topped with mashed potatoes and baked in the oven. It typically includes onions, carrots, and peas in the meat mixture, which is then seasoned with herbs and Worcestershire sauce. The mashed potatoes are spread on top of the meat mixture and can be garnished with cheese. When cooked, the cottage pie forms a hearty and comforting meal, perfect for colder weather. Its origins can be traced back to the 18th century, where it was considered a dish for the working class.